Hello guys, my name is Ukoperime. Welcome to my channel. I'll be taking you on 5 ways to install a creative interior design. But before I start, please I would like you to click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Once again, welcome to my comprehensive guide on 5 ways to install a creative interior design. To install a creative interior design, first of all, you need to embrace the power of color because color plays a pivotal role in creating an inviting creative interior design. Bold and vibrant color brings energy and excitement into your interior design. So you need to understand and manage your color. It's very, very important. That's the first step to take to create to install a creative interior design. Installing a creative interior design, you need a fusion of modern and vintage elements. It's very, very important, because this fusion creates a unique and captivating atmosphere that showcases your design. Let your design be unique. Let your design tell a story. You know, Achieving a creative interior design often involves these two, modern and vintage elements. So they are very, very important in creating a unique interior design. Artistic treatment is also important. Transform your walls into artistic masterpieces that elevate and transform your interior design. In conclusion, installing a creative interior design is an art form that requires a balance of elements such as colors, furniture, lighting, and wall treatments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for your time, and please like and share the video. Thank you.